Living and Sharing with Marinate. Guess what? It's on sale this week. USDA Choice Tri Tip Roast. It's all trimmed. Supposed to be $37. Right now, it's $15 for a little more than 3 pounds. We can make delicious Korean barbecue beef. Sweet, juicy, and tender. And I'm gonna make it simple and easy. Here are the ingredients, and let's get started. Okay, I have a 2 piece of tri tips. I'm gonna trim some fats out. Okay, this is pretty much all trimmed. Let me show you how to slice this meat. Okay, we sliced it. It's pretty thick. Okay everyone, we have all the ingredients. Now let me just show you. I have 2 cups of soy sauce and ½ cup of pear. If you have a fresh pear, you can just grind it. I have a pear juice here. It's a fresh pear juice. I saved it in the freezer. I always use it. And I have ½ cup of Mirin cooking wine with the sugar added. And I have 1 medium-sized white onion and about 4 or 5 of green onion, only the white parts. I saved the green parts here for garnish later. And I have 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of garlic, and 3 tablespoons of sesame seed, and 3 tablespoons of black pepper. And I have 3 teaspoons of ginger, but I might not use all. Maybe I'll just use 2 teaspoons of ginger. And once everything is marinated, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil and 3 tablespoons of a regular vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna mix green onion and white onion. I'll use Mirin. Should be enough. Make sure to dissolve all the sugar first. Okay, everybody, sugar is all melted. I'm going to add sesame seeds, and this time I'm going to add sesame oil. And I'm going to add some vegetable oils. Okay everyone, we have marinated approximately 6 pounds of tri tip roast, and we have a jar of Korean barbecue sauce left over. this is really delicious and tasty. You can use it for pork, for ribs, pork ribs, beef ribs. And you can just leave it in the refrigerator, use it each time when you need it. And this one, we're gonna marinate it for 2 to 3 hours. Actually, I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator for overnight. And it was a little too much, so I put it in a different container. Okay, everyone, meats are marinated. Now we're gonna grill this. All right, it's been in the refrigerator. I flipped over and I have a different container. And it's pretty hot. I'm gonna wait till it's hot. I don't think I need any oil. Okay, now this is all cooked, nicely browned. Okay, so this is done. Cook for about 3 minutes and flip over and cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Once everything is thoroughly cooked, then we turn high heat and make it brown. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, this is our last batch. We're all done. Okay, everyone, we just completed Korean barbecue beef steak. Let me go over some simple steps. We trimmed the meat and we marinated it, okay? And we'll let it marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours, and then you grill this. You grill for about 5 to 10 minutes and you brown it, okay? Then you put some sesame seeds and some green onions for garnish. And I added some rice and cucumber kimchi that I had in my refrigerator for sharing. Okay, so this is simple and easy and delicious. This is for family, this is for sharing. Thank you for watching, loving and sharing with Marinate. See you next time.